Hi guys, welcome to Kitchenette, your quick and easy cooking channel where we offer everyday recipes for everyday people just like you. Now, before we get into anything, let's first, set the mood. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to like this video, then move on to subscribing to our channel just down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post something delicious. Now, if you're wondering who I am, well, I am the body to the hands that you will be seeing during the videos. So, hands. Okay, so in today's video, we will be making crispy fried fish. This recipe should take you about 45 minutes to make, depending on the size of your fish and the amount of fish that you have. But ideally, you want to cook each fish for 3 to 5 minutes. Enough talking. Let's get into this video. Let's kitchen it.